Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I thought it'd be really fun to do a little like night, evening, weekday, night routine or kind of just vlog. I feel like I don't show my nights too much in my weekly vlogs because I'm usually just tired, busy after the workday, but I thought it'd be fun to take you guys with me as I kind of relax, recharge, do all the stuff after a workday. And this isn't a routine because every single day is different, so I just kind of wanted to take you guys with me today and what I'm up to. I just got off of work and right now what's on my mind is in the next couple of weeks I have to go to a conference for my work and I have no idea what to wear. This keeps going into my mind because if it were summer or fall or spring, I would just wear like a blouse and trousers, but it's winter, so I have to be warm. But I don't really own a ton of winter clothes, so that's kind of what's on my mind right now. And so I wanted to try on a couple different variations of outfits that I could wear to this conference that are like professional but not like too much but not enough, just so I can kind of ease my mind about that and know, do I need to go shopping, do I not? And I'll also get you guys' opinion on it before I go. I think the vibe of the conference is business casual, and I don't know how casual business casual is. I never know. I feel like it's good to err on the side of caution and not wear jeans, but I also don't want to be like way too overdressed. So I thought we could do a little try on of some things. I also got some new bras that I wanted to share with you guys. The new bras that I got are from the brand Comfyly, and they're actually sponsoring this video, so thank you so much. If you guys know me, I am not a bra girl. I personally despise wearing a bra because they are so uncomfortable for me. I hate the underwire and I hate how it makes me look with certain shirts. Do you know exactly what I mean? Like in the back, I find them to be extremely uncomfortable, and honestly I do find it to be a little like unprofessional when I'm going into work and you can like see my bra through my shirt. So finding a good bra, especially for the workplace, is really important in order to look professional and honestly feel confident, especially going into my new job, going into this conference where I'm going to be meeting all my coworkers. I want to look presentable. I want to feel confident and not be constantly insecure. I want to look and feel confident, and I feel like, I don't know if anyone else feels this, but just like a band squeezing my rib cage is the least comfortable thing in the entire world. So I found these bras from Comfyly and they live up to the name. I thought I'd do a little haul of all the ones that I got. The first one that I got is actually black. I don't really own any black bras at all. I mostly stick to nude bras because if I'm wearing a lighter shirt or it's see-through, I like to stick to a nude bra, but I wanted to get a black one. This one is really cute and has a scalloped edge to it. What's really awesome about these ones is they have really nice supportive straps. I also got a hot pink one. These are super breathable. They're just so comfortable. They feel like you're not wearing a bra. I think the best part in my opinion is the band that goes around your rib cage. It's just so comfortable. It's stretchy. It's not poking into you. None of them that I got are underwire, which is the best part because I feel like underwire just makes it so uncomfortable. The ones that I got are in a small. Of course I had to get a nude one. I feel like these ones are always the ones that I wear the most frequently. What makes these so comfortable is there's a high spandex content, up to 43% spandex, which is amazing. This one is just so soft. It's so stretchy and feels really comfortable when you're wearing it. They're also Oeko-Tex standard 100 certified. Essentially just means that the fabrics are certified for long-term wear, free of harmful substances, and gentle on skin, which is incredible. These ones that I got also have a clasp in the back that's nice and thick. There's also multiple options to clasp onto it, which is incredible. This last one that I got I thought was so cute. I loved the color on this. I feel like I wear a lot of black, so I was like, it's okay if I get some colorful cute bras. I feel like this one is like really stylish. They're also really lightweight, super duper stretchy, which makes it feel so comfortable. All of these also have cups in them that maintain their shape really well. If you kind of just mess up with them, they can just go back to their regular shape, but you could also take them out if you're not a person who's into cups. Make sure to check them out. I'll have a link in the description. Highly recommend. I'm going to try on, I think, the nude one while I try on some outfits for work. Before we try on some outfits, I'm gonna make my bed so it's a cute background for you guys. Okay, so first thing that I was thinking of doing, I don't really have a long sleeve shirt, but I have this white bodysuit, and I was thinking I could wear it with a blazer. This is a very big, oversized quilt blazer. I've never actually worn this before. I got this years ago, and it's just been sitting in my closet, and I haven't had a chance to wear it. And actually, not these trousers. I don't want to wear these. I was thinking these black trousers with it. I don't know if that's a cute outfit or a not so cute outfit. I don't know. I feel like a blazer to me is professional, but I'm like, is the oversized blazer, does it look immature? Because like I understand that an oversized blazer is like a slay to Gen Z, but people that I work with that are further along in their career see me wearing an oversized blazer and be like, she doesn't know how to wear clothes that fit her. So I'm gonna try this on and we'll see what you guys think. I'm gonna be honest, I think this is a no. I feel like I look like a cartoon character. I feel like this oversized blazer might be too oversized also. I don't know if you can hear all of that, but it's pretty loud. So I feel like I'll be a little insecure that I'm making so much noise. So I'm thinking it's a no for the blazer. It almost looks like a trench coat, you know, like it's that big. Also, the bra that I'm wearing under this, it's the Zero Gravity Sculpt Seamless T-shirt bra in beige. You cannot see it at all under this shirt. And this is like a white shirt, you know, very seamless under this. And I feel very supported. I feel like my boobs look incredible actually. But it's very comfortable. I don't even feel like I'm wearing a bra. Anyway, so that was a flop. I'm like, do I need to buy a blazer? Because I know there's going to be other events that I have to travel to for work that I do need to dress business professional for. This, like I said, is business casual. But I'm thinking maybe I do a little shopping and get a blazer that I could wear to multiple things. This, do you guys like this base with a more better fitted blazer? Let me know what you guys think. Or if I should try something different. I don't know. I'm disappointed because I was really hoping that blazer would be a one and done, but it was not. Another option. Option 2. I also don't love it. I was thinking that if I wanted to wear something that wasn't like a tight bodysuit, obviously it's going to be too cold to wear a blouse. So I was thinking I could wear like a turtleneck like this. Again, I'm wearing the same bra underneath and then some trousers, but I feel like this looks a little too slouchy. Not a little, very slouchy. If I do like a little French tuck with that, I feel like that's a little bit better, but I don't love it. And I'm afraid that I might sweat through this sweater because although it is winter, it will be inside. But usually they crank the AC up in these places. I feel like this was a little bit of a fail, but that's okay. Let me know what you guys think I should wear because I have some time. It's in about a month, maybe a little bit less than a month actually. So let me know what you guys think that I should wear. I don't really love this. I think the idea was there, like a turtleneck and trousers like that. I feel like the idea of that, but I just don't think the fit of these go that well together. Yeah, I'm open to your suggestions. What do you think I should wear? Oh, ew. There's like a wadded up piece of my hair in these pants, probably from my laundry. That is disgusting. Anyways, what do you think I should wear? Where do you think I should look for it? And then also if you guys are interested in checking out these really comfy bras, I'll have a link down below for you guys. But I'm gonna change out of this back into a little sweatshirt and then we'll kind of get on with our night. We are back in our sweats, nice and comfy. So I finished up work right before I started filming this clip, honestly, or that clip when we started this video. You know what I'm talking about. What time is it right now? I have no idea, but I was thinking that what I could do right now is start cleaning up my kitchen. My kitchen is a little messy, put my dishes away, all of that. And then I have a Pilates class at 7:30, which I don't think is for a while. I like scheduling them pretty late at night for a couple reasons. Number one, and most importantly, they're the easiest to get into because they're not always booked out, whereas the other classes, like the 5:30, 6:30 classes, are always booked out really fast. So the 7:30 doesn't book up too fast. So that's number one reason why I like it. And number two, it's later in the night, which I actually do really like because I feel like it helps me unwind and I'm not super stressed about making it, like if work runs late or something like that. So I like having the 7:30 class. Sometimes I'm like, oh, it's so late, I just want to go to bed. So we're gonna just kind of chill and do some things until that happens, but I think right now I'm gonna clean my kitchen. Truly, my kitchen is not super bad. You guys have definitely seen my kitchen be worse, but the main thing that I need to do is unload my dishwasher and then load it because I have quite a few dishes in the sink. I feel like that is like the number one thing that catches up to me. I feel like I clean my kitchen every single day, every 5 seconds, and it still gets overwhelmingly messy every single day. I know this is like a thing that I keep doing to myself, but every single day I'm like, will it ever end? No, because that's, I guess, what being an adult is. This feels much better. I know that I'm gonna be making dinner tonight after Pilates. I just had a pretty big stack. I had a little cucumber salad. I don't know if you guys were following this trend on TikTok, but cucumber salads were like really popular for a certain amount of time, and I feel like I'm still obsessed with them. So I had like a salmon lox everything bagel cucumber salad. I had a very big serving of it, so I'm pretty full right now. I expect to be pretty hungry after Pilates, so I think tonight I'm gonna make steak for dinner, and I I've talked about this in the past. Cooking red meat really scares me, really intimidating. I'm trying my best to learn how to cook new things, push myself out of my comfort zone, and just become an adult and learn how to make new things. So I got really thinly sliced steak. I'll show you guys, but I thought that getting the thinly sliced would be a lot less intimidating than getting like a thick steak. And if I'm being honest, I didn't even like steak until recently, so it's a new found thing for me that I like it. But this is the one that I got. It's the shaved beef steak, all natural. I thought this would be a lot easier to cook than like a super thick one, like I said, so we'll see how that goes tonight. And then I also have some zucchini and then bell peppers that I'm planning on roasting in the oven. I wonder if I could roast these at the same time and temperature. I don't know, we'll see. But that was kind of going to be my dinner, and like maybe add rice or something like that. So steak and vegetables. I don't know how it's going to turn out. I hope it's going to turn out well. I'm nervous. I also forgot to close this, so we're going to close that. Also, in case you guys are wondering, somebody asked me today what nail polish I'm wearing. If you guys have remembered, or I've talked about this quite a few times, I've recently been like in this nail polish obsession where I am trying to be better at like not biting my nails, which honestly isn't going super well, but I'm trying to paint my nails more frequently and like learn how to paint my nails really well. So the nail polish that I'm using, one thing that I really do need to do is organize my entire house, because look at this drawer. That's not organized in the slightest. But this is the nail polish that I bought. It's called Forever Yummy. I think it is the most beautiful, like kind of like deeper red nail polish color. I really wanted like almost the color of ketchup, like a deeper red. I also have this one, which is just like a brighter version. If you see, this one is called Not Ready for Bed. This one's like almost run out, so I had to get a new one, and I wanted like a darker red, not so much a bright one. I know that this is very random, but I've been really into nail polish, especially red, for the months of November and December. I just think it's so pretty, so I love having a deeper red. I'm gonna turn my light off in here. I also painted my toes with this color, but yeah, my new obsession is painting my nails. And so I've been trying to be better at not picking at them and biting them, and it's a learning process. We're not there yet, but we'll get there. Eventually, I would love to have like naturally long nails. I love the look of when I have my nails done, but I feel like I don't want to spend the money or the time to go to a salon, get them done. Okay, why is everybody calling me? I just got like a bunch of missed calls. I'm so popular. Popular? I know about popular. What did my mom just reminded me that I need to email someone, and I have done it. It is 5:28 right now. Usually what I like to do is just like rot on my couch for a little bit. I love to mindlessly scroll and disassociate. It's my favorite hobby. So that's what we're gonna do tonight. I hope I don't want to do that for like next hour. I think I want to figure something out. I don't know. I want to do something and not waste all my time. Be a little productive. I have a video that I need to edit today as well, so we have a couple of things to get done. But naturally, I do want to disassociate and scroll on my couch because I love my scrolling time. Is it the healthiest thing for me? Probably not, but I'm gonna do it. And just like that, it's time to get ready for Pilates. That happened really fast. I was scrolling on my phone, and then I started making TikToks and editing them, and then that always has the time just fly by. I'm wearing my leggings and my little workout top under this, so we'll just keep wearing this. I'm gonna spray like a few sprays of perfume just because I'm afraid I'm gonna smell gross, and I know that we're going to Pilates in a workout class, but there's always this fear of mine that I'm like, do I smell like sweat and people don't want to sit next to me because of that in class? Like, that's always a fear of mine, if I'm being honest. We're just gonna spray just like a little bit, just a little bit of perfume, just so I can be like, oh, people aren't disgusted by me, you know? Even if I don't smell bad, I constantly think I do. This Pilates class I'm going to, the instructor is really hard, to the point that I half the time love her class, half the time hate her class, because her classes are so hard for me. So we'll see if today is a love or a hate kind of day. I've been feeling really strong recently in terms of Pilates. Like, I've been feeling really proud of myself and all the stuff that I've been doing, so I'd like to keep that momentum going, you know? I can also never do my hair in a way that looks nice because I have little calluses on my hand and my hair always gets stuck in them, and then it creates little bumps in my ponytail. Maybe I am gross. This is the perfume I'm gonna wear. This is the Kiehl's Kiehl's Original Musk Blend #1. It smells like if I was really rich, the type of soap that I would buy. Then we'll just, just hit my shelf. We'll do some deodorant for good measure. I was also thinking about this today and yesterday. Want to hear your opinions. Now that I have my personality back and my joy in life back, I was like, what if I do Vlogmas on TikTok, like little short form vlogs? But like, what if I do that? I don't know. Like, I'm like, that could be really fun. That could be, I don't know. I did it last year. I don't know if I'll do all the way up to the 25 days, but I think I did like 19 or 20 days last year. And I think that was like, it was fun for me. So let me know if you guys think I should do that, and I can like post them to shorts and all of that if people are interested in that. But let me know what you guys think. I know not everyone has TikTok, and now shorts you can post videos that are over a minute long. If you guys are curious, or not curious, if you guys are wanting that, I can do that. I don't know. I'm like, now that I have my personality back, I keep saying that, like that's like how I feel. I'm like having all these ideas and things that I want to do, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I have like the energy and the motivation to do them. So let me know if you guys are down for that. It's coming up soon, so I'm open to it if you guys are. Pilates is over. I wanted to make that steak for dinner, but it's 8:23. By the time I get home, it'll be like 8:45. I'm eating dinner like 9 something o'clock. I always do this to myself. Sabotage myself. But I have salmon that's marinated, so I think that I'm just gonna make salmon and like asparagus for dinner instead of the steak, because I just don't feel like, well, honestly, I feel like the steak would take faster to cook. Okay, maybe I'll do the steak. Then the thing, and now I'm like, oh, I don't really want to make like the side dish. That's what's stopping me, is the side dish. I think I'm just gonna make the salmon. It will probably take longer. I don't even know what I'm doing. Why am I doing this? I have no idea, but I am. I'm gonna make the salmon. I'm really afraid the steak is gonna flop, and I just don't think I can do that to myself if it flops. I'm so hungry. Anyways, great Pilates class, really, really hard per usual. So glad it's over, but I need some food in me ASAP. Too small. Oh, I ran out of parchment paper. Okay, we're gonna spray it. It's past 9 p.m. and we're finally eating. I have my salmon, my jasmine rice, and then my asparagus. I'm excited to eat that, and then immediately after I eat, I'm gonna shower, and then I have a video to edit too. I'm gonna edit my video in bed. I really put everything off. I probably could have been editing my video when I was scrolling on TikTok, but you know, time for yourself is important. That's what I'm gonna tell myself, but I'm really excited to eat this. This is super duper yummy. I marinated this with just lemon juice, dill, salt, pepper, garlic powder, really easy. And then this was salt, pepper, garlic powder, lemon. And then this is just bagged jasmine rice. Full transparency, I was still hungry, so I ate some chicken nuggets because I was like, I need more food in me. But I'm going to wash my makeup off, shower, and then get to bed. I do have to edit a video, but I will do that tomorrow. That's what I'm telling myself, because I'm tired. It's like almost 10 p.m. at this point. I don't know why I do this to myself. Honestly, I love the idea of the late Pilates class, but maybe in reality I don't. I don't really want to eat dinner before Pilates, so I don't really want to eat dinner before I work out, but maybe it's just not a good thing for me. Maybe I should start switching to the 6 p.m. or the 6:30 p.m. I don't know. What do you guys think I should do? Tell me all the suggestions. I have so many things that I'm asking you guys advice for in this video, but please leave all of them down below if you'd like to. But anyways, I'm gonna wash my face. I love you guys. Make sure to check out Comfyly down below. I'll have a link for you guys. I love you so, so, so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Good night.